to BOCES, it's a completely different thing. You work hands-on with stuff, so if you're a hands-on learner, it's great for you, and you meet a lot of new people that you're going to share so many memories with.
So definitely like the environment here, like the people. At first, it'll be kind of weird because they're all from different schools, but within a week, you'll be making tons of friends. And a lot of the projects we do, we have to work together. So that's nice. And it's just nice to get out and like do stuff. It's all fun here, so.
Oh, I love coming here because this is actually what I want to do. This is actually what I want to go in life, because after graduation, I'm gonna try to get a CNA job, and usually if you can pass your test and get your hours in, usually you can get a job straight out of school in a nursing home.
Hi everyone, I'm Deb Wood, CTE Principal at our Cortlandville campus. Choosing to come to CTE means you're learning from a teacher who is also an industry professional. If you're wondering what your day might look like here at BOCES, I can share that with you now. As a junior, you will spend most of your morning with us, from approximately 9 to 11 a.m. You would then go back to your home district for English, history, other classes and activities. Some of you may even be able to fit in first period at your home school before you come. Seniors spend their afternoon at BOCES from approximately noon to 2 p.m. Your morning would be at your home district for your other classes, and we dismiss early enough that you are able to participate in sports, clubs, and activities offered at your home district. In automotive collision, students will learn the fundamentals of vehicle refinishing, metalwork, body and frame alignment, painting and finishing, welding, plastics repair, body repair and replacement, cost estimation, and customer service skills. Students participate in an industry-recognized safety training and have the opportunity to gain hands-on experience both here at BOCES and at an internship site. Automotive technology is a 2-year program designed to provide students with basic mechanical knowledge and skills. Students can earn their industry-recognized ASE certification through a combination of theoretical study and hands-on lab work. This includes the repair of customer vehicles with brake systems, engine performance, suspension and steering, electronic control systems, and onboard computerized engine control systems. The computer technology program is designed to prepare students for the ever-changing world of computer and information technology. Through a combination of theory and hands-on lab work, this 2-year Cisco-certified program provides students with essentials of computer repair and support in their first year before transitioning to the fundamentals of networking in year 2. Other topics include the Internet of Things, cybersecurity, and programming. Students have the opportunity to earn 6 college credits through TC3 and CompTIA A+ certification. The 2-year construction technology program teaches students the essential skills needed to begin a career in the building and construction trades. We are in the process of building 2 modular homes from the ground up. Students participate in all components of the build, from setting the supports and framing to finishing with windows, roofing, and siding. Students also work on components inside the home, like shower installation, cabinetry, doors, and drywall. All students are required to complete an OSHA 10 training course. This course is an industry-recognized credential designed to help students become more knowledgeable about workplace health, safety, and workplace hazards. Cosmetology instructs students in the theory and practical skills necessary to earn their New York State cosmetology license. Students are provided with hands-on training and experience to pursue employment opportunities in such roles as cosmetologists, nail technicians, aestheticians, hairstylists, salon managers, and small business owners. Students practice on mannequins, on each other, and run a salon on Fridays right out of the classroom. Do you like cooking and see a future in the restaurant industry? Culinary and pastry arts might be for you. It's a hands-on food preparation program that provides students with broad exposure to the science of cooking and the art of pastry design. You will develop your skills learning the ProStart curriculum in food production, dining etiquette, customer service, food safety, and sanitation. You can also earn ServSafe certification while preparing food for our in-house cafe. Located at Capco Head Start, the Early Childhood Education Program is offered to students who want to pursue a career working with young children. Students learn about the characteristics, needs, and behaviors of 3 and 4-year-olds, and study best practices on how to guide and teach them in a nursery school setting. Each high school student in the program is provided the opportunity to participate in all phases of operating the nursery school program. Early childhood students have the opportunity to earn 9 college credits along with first aid and CPR certification. Graphic Communications is a 2-year project-based program for students who are interested in graphic design and artistry. We use Mac computers and Adobe software, and our projects are in the form of advertisements, logo designs, we create business cards, computer illustrations, digital imaging, multimedia and web designs. We visit with local advertising agencies, printing companies, and colleges. There's the opportunity to earn 6 college credits through TC3 and test for Adobe certification. Health Occupations is for students interested in the medical and healthcare professions. In the classroom and through our partnership with Cortland Park, students learning about long-term care, basic nursing procedures, patient rights, medical terminology, and body systems. You'll have the opportunity to earn CPR and first aid certification, as well as the 108 hours needed to sit for the New York State license as a certified nursing assistant. We have many students who are able to get CNA jobs right after graduation. Located at our Port Watson Street campus, Physical Therapy and Rehabilitative Professions is a 2-year program designed for highly motivated students who want to get an edge for college in pursuing a career in a rehabilitative field. PT students study the fundamentals of therapy, including the elements of movement, anatomy, and physiology, but experiences are not just limited to the physical therapy field. Students can participate in scheduled rotations based on their interests, shadowing professionals in speech therapy, music therapy, and occupational therapy, just to name a few. You have the opportunity to earn 19 college credits, 1 science and 1 ELA credit for high school. You could also earn first aid and CPR certification. The Welding Technology Program is a 2-year program designed to help students gain the basic welding, fabricating, math, and problem-solving skills needed to qualify for entry-level employment or apprenticeship. In our new welding lab, students work to complete the AWS entry-level welder qualification. Learn the art and technology of joining metals together with heat, using special equipment to perform different welding processes. You'll also learn to accurately fabricate a project, work from blueprints, repair broken parts, problem solve a welding dilemma, and use math and measurement skills to set up and lay out the parts used for a welding project. All students are required to complete an OSHA 10 training course. Located at Lime Hollow Nature Center, New Vision Environmental Science students will explore environmental issues with the outdoors as your classroom. Topics include forestry, fish, wildlife, maple production, environmental issues, soil, water, land use, and outdoor recreation. Students interact with local businesses and professionals in the field. Community service projects and field trips are an integral component of the program. You can also fulfill your English 12, participation in government, and economics requirements towards graduation and earn 3 credits through TC3. New Vision medical profession students explore healthcare career pathways as they participate in scheduled rotations at Guthrie Cortland Regional Medical Center. Students shadow physicians, nurses, and other health professionals, both at the hospital and at outpatient locations. Through a combination of research and hands-on projects, students will learn about medical ethics, patients' rights, human anatomy and physiology, governmental regulations, and health careers. It's possible to earn 9 credits through TC3, and students will also fulfill their English 12, participation in government, and economics requirements towards graduation. As an OCM BOCES Career and Technical Education student, there are other opportunities available to you. We tour colleges who have programs related to your field of study. We partner with local businesses and unions for tours, employer panels, and job fairs. And besides learning hands-on technical skills, we also focus on important employability or soft skills that can benefit you whether or not you choose to continue in your CTE field after graduation. Students who have strong grades, strong employability skills, and good attendance, specifically in their CTE classes, can be inducted in the National Technical Honor Society as a senior. NTHS celebrates the accomplishments of today's CTE students, empowering them to know the value and impact of their career paths and trades. We also offer 2 clubs, Skills USA and 4 Club. Skills USA builds leadership skills and allows students to compete in their chosen CTE area against other students locally, statewide, and sometimes even at the national level. 4 Club is focused on creating a positive school culture of compassion and kindness. We work with other programs in the building to ensure that students feel welcomed and appreciated. There are also volunteer opportunities in the local community. If you are interested in a CTE program, you need to make sure you're on track to be a junior or a senior in high school next year. You also need to be excited about doing hands-on work. You should talk with your high school counselor to see what it would take to attend a CTE program at our Cortlandville Career and Technical Education Center as soon as possible. And we hope that you finish out this school year strong. Make sure you pass all of your required coursework for 10th grade so you can join us starting next year.
See, BOCES is like my happy place. If I'm having a horrible day, I come here and I'm leaving, I'm fine.
You never feel like out of place here, like that sort of thing. Even new, like I felt so welcomed on my first day last year.
I would say it'd be one of the best experiences you'd have coming here.
I think it's just a great place.
Definitely happy with my decision.
Yes, I do. I love it here.
For more information, talk to your school counselor or go to our OCM BOCES website. We hope to see you in the fall.